Hello, Jamaica. I am Dr. Olivia Rose, Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Sports and Entertainment. The People's National Party is committed to support and elevate sports and entertainment for our young people. We believe that similarly to books, bats, balls, nets, courts, pools, mics, and a stage, combined with proper development of talent and marketing, can significantly unite and transform lives by providing attractive alternatives from a life of crime and violence to one where families can thrive socially and economically. The power of sports is undeniably immense, and we strongly believe in harnessing this potential for the betterment of our Jamaican people. Sports instills discipline, resilience, and other qualities essential for personal growth and success. And because we understand this importance, we know that there needs to be access and provision of proper infrastructure and resources to empower our youth to excel in various sports and different types of entertainment. As we embark on this mission, the PNP is acutely aware of the global landscape of sports and entertainment. We refuse to be left behind in the race to advance these two sectors and plan to do so by having the best personnel and practices leading our sporting institutions and proper marketing of our entertainers. We are committed to staying at the cutting edge of sports science by employing the most modern technologies and techniques with coaches and their support staff who will have better environments where talent can flourish and dreams become a reality. Time come for a Merry Christmas and a powerful 2024.